So I've got my San Andreas fault line document, and let's say I want to add some other information that I find online. I've got a few options here. If I open up a new tab and I just search San Andreas fault, I get a typical Google search results page. But what I want to show you in this video is how to take advantage of these search options up here, as well as a few other ones you might not know about. When you do a Google search, you're probably familiar with these. You can look at all the results. Maybe you're only interested in images. If you click on images, it's just going to show you images related to San Andreas fault line. You can find published articles, news articles about the San Andreas fault line. You can find maps, videos, and more depending on what you're searching for. If you want to book a flight so you can see the San Andreas fault line, I guess you could do that too. If you see this tool button over here and click on that, you get a couple more options. You can search for information based on when it was published online. Right, so right now it's on recent, but let's say I want to expand that to within the past year. Right, so now I'm looking at search results that have been published online within the past year. And then maybe I can sort by relevance, sort by date, so maybe the most recent ones will show up first. So you get a bunch of different options here in order to narrow the search results, because we've all been there before. You search for something on Google and sometimes you just have no idea what you're looking at. There's so much stuff, it's hard to find the specific thing you want. But Google understands that, and there are certain ways that you can refine your search to better find what it is you're looking for. So using these advanced features for Google search is a good way to do that. There is another way to do it. Google search allows you to use what are called search operators, which really let you fine-tune how you search for things. So I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm just going to search for Google search operators. And if you do this, you're going to find other sites that list a bunch of them. Probably one of the most trustworthy ones is to just find the site that says support.google.com. And you'll get an idea of the different types of refinement operators that you can use with your Google search. A really nice one is to limit your search by site. So let's say I know that the website livescience.com really has a lot of great resources on the San Andreas fault line. So I can type in site livescience.com, make sure you leave a space, search again. I'm going to click on all so we see everything, but notice as I scroll down, every search result is found on livescience.com. I've narrowed my search to that specific website, and I'm only searching that site. Other things you can do is you can search for things on social media specifically, hashtags specifically. You can exclude words from your search. You can look for an exact match by putting the phrase or word in quotation marks. You can use the OR operator. There's a bunch of different things you can do, if you're aware of them, to step up your Google search game so that you have a much easier time finding the information that you're looking for.